If Steam is showing error 102 and saying it's unable to connect to the server, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam back online as quickly as possible. This error usually points to a network problem, which could be caused by a temporary local glitch, a firewall or antivirus block, bad DNS settings, a router issue, or even an ISP restriction. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Steam or resetting your whole PC. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's get into the first fix. The first thing you should do is clear the Steam download cache. This is one of the easiest fixes and it often resolves connection and loading issues right away. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, click Downloads and then select Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask you to sign in again after this, so make sure you know your login details. Once it clears the cache, log back into Steam and check whether the error is gone. This step helps remove any corrupted or stuck data that may be interfering with Steam's connection. If Steam error 102 is still there, the next step is to fully restart Steam. And this is important. Do not just close the window with the X button. Instead, click Steam in the top left corner and choose Exit. That makes sure Steam actually shuts down completely in the background. After that, reopen Steam and test it again. Sometimes a simple full restart is enough to refresh the connection and fix the problem. If that still doesn't work, restart your internet equipment. Turn off your router and modem, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. Give them a minute or two to fully reconnect before opening Steam again. This helps clear temporary network faults and can fix connection problems caused by your internet hardware. If multiple devices on your network are having trouble, this step is especially important. Next, let's flush your DNS and reset your network stack. This can repair deeper Windows networking issues that may be preventing Steam from reaching its servers. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netts/winsock reset and press Enter again. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. These commands help clear old network data and repair socket issues that may be blocking Steam. After restarting, it's a good idea to change your DNS settings. Sometimes your current DNS server is slow, unreliable, or blocking certain requests. To switch to Google DNS, open your network adapter properties and manually set your preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once you save those settings, reconnect to the internet and try Steam again. This often improves connection reliability and helps bypass DNS-related errors. Another thing you should check is your firewall or antivirus software. Security programs can sometimes block Steam from connecting properly, especially after an update or a new installation. Open your firewall or antivirus settings and make sure Steam is allowed through. If you see Steam listed as blocked or restricted, change it to allow access. If needed, you can temporarily disable the security software just to test whether it's the cause. If Steam starts working after that, you'll know you need to adjust the permissions more permanently. If you still see error 102, there's one more trick you can try. Force Steam to load the store through a game or specific page. In some cases, opening a store page directly from a game or through a Steam link can bypass the connection issue and get Steam working again. This isn't always guaranteed, but it can help when the main client is having trouble loading normally. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for Steam, error 102, are clearing the download cache, fully restarting Steam, rebooting your router and modem, flushing DNS, resetting your network, switching to Google DNS, checking firewall and antivirus permissions, and trying to force the store to load. Work through them one by one, and in many cases Steam will reconnect without any major troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Steam error 102, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.